Hello YouTubers! I finally fixed my squirrel bird feeder problem. This device is a shepherd's hook on top of a steel tube, and I haven't seen a squirrel even attempt to climb this slippery steel plate. This is about up to here is about 6 feet from the ground. I attached this plate because squirrels would jump and just hang on to this. With this one they just slip, or they can't even see where they're gonna hang, so this seems to work. This is made of aluminum flashing it's a 10 feet by 10 inches wide. I bought from eBay. I believe the tag's still there. Oh, right there. So I screwed them both together using this, what is that? Like a washer retainer. And that's the other side. So I've seen 4 squirrels gather around the base, 0 attempts. So we've tried many things: slinkies, tubes, grease. None seems to work. And by the way, you also have to trim anything that's close within 10 feet of your feeder so they don't jump. Hope you learned something from this. You know, these bird feeders are, the feed is expensive, so I'm really happy.